Hi guys! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to screen record on your Android phone. So, all we need to do guys is just to sit back and relax and follow these very simple steps. So by the way guys, the process of it may be slightly different depending to the your device manufacturer. But don't worry because the general step of it is very similar. Alright? So let's get started. All we need to do is just to have this phone and also you have your phone too. Alright, so now let us swipe down our screen like that one and then also this one. Alright, so as you can see guys, there are some apps already here, and of course you can see here the screen record. So now, oh, by the way guys, screen record is already built in most of the Android phones. Alright, so just check it out. And so now let's start screen recording. So let's stop this one and let's check if it really works now. Alright, so we can record any videos, any photo, or any activities that we are doing in our phone. Okay, so now let's just try it. Let's click it and then let's open the TikTok app. All right, so let's watch a movie here. Okay, so as you can see guys, the recording icon guys is counting. It's starting. Okay, so let us check if it is working, really working. So now this time we have to stop it. So let's click this again, top, and so that it says here save screen recording to gallery, tap to view. So if you want to show it or to look at it, then we can just simply tap that one. But if you don't want, then we can now look at it later in our gallery. All right, so by the way guys, if you don't want to take some screen recording anymore, then you can just simply tap this one, this X. Okay, so now the final step or the last step we need to do is just to look for the screen recorded if it really works. All right, so let's open the gallery and let's look at it. Okay, so as you can see, there you go, it is already recorded. So if you want to know on how to screen record on your Android phone, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to screen record on your Android phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!